That was it.
There goes the can.
Right as soon as y'all jumped on it. That's it.
Scared.
That's it. Throw him in there.
Where'd Jackson go?
Throw it in there.
I'm not gonna want to get near this fire tonight.
Yeah.
Green gas.
Is that what it is? Well, back the fuck up. This could be freaking big.
Hey, get on that damn cooler. What's in there?
I have a question.
Oh, it's just ice for our orange drink.
I have a question. Where do you live?
Hey, when it's Tony. Ow. Don't step in front of me.
There you go.
Try not to. Flamethrower.
Somebody needs to shoot it. Might go off in. Yeah, somebody shoot it.
Put it in the fire and shoot it.
Shoot this one. Oh fuck, he's shooting right there.
What is that?
Propane.
Is that pro?
Pro gas. Oh.
Oh shit!
There it went.
Did someone get that on video? I did. I did. Austin. I did.
Holy fuck my ass.
Oh my god!
God damn, son.
What? I just got that. That shook my body.
Let me see that.
Dude, I got it on
That
video.
blew my hair.